How to trade EURUSD on September 22. Simple tips and trade analysis for beginners. Back trading plan. How to trade EURUSD on September 22. Simple tips and trade analysis for beginners. Friday trade analysis: 1H USD chart. The premium article will be available in 000022.09.2025 AM. The premium article will be available in 000022.09.2025 AM. Friday trade analysis: 1H USD chart. The US currency pair continued its downward movement on Friday and may break through the ascending trend line as early as today. The euro has been falling for 3 consecutive days now, which is somewhat puzzling. Most recent data and news have not been negative for the euro or particularly positive for the dollar. The pair began its decline last Wednesday evening, right after the Fed announced the dovish results of its fresh articles are available only to premium users. Read analytics in early access. Getting information first. Get best meta trade indicators. Profitable expert advisors.